Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Thursday, November 12th. These are the charts of the day. And I'm going to talk about four longs and four shorts today. The four shorts being current portfolio positions. On the long side, for starters, I wanted to take a look at Kandi Technology, K-A-N-D-I. It's a Chinese auto or compact auto type manufacturer. Announced a contract today, broke out of this key wedge I've been talking about for days now, and spiked up 77 cents on nearly 1 million shares. That's the second heaviest volume this year. Significant because it broke it out of a coil, and now my target on it is up around the 6.5 plus area. Could be due for a nice follow through in the next several days. Nanometrics. Nano came out of a nice little 2-3 month base after that big run up it had earlier in the year, and broke out on heavy volume. Followed through today, up another $1 on 1.6 million shares, and purely based on channel projections, this is a stock that could be in the mid to high teens. Next we have OPTT, Ocean Power Tech, which is thin but very active of late. Had the big run up in October, backed off, and it came on again last week. Over the last 4 days, it's formed a nice little wedge, looks to me, or a pennant. It looks to me like it could pop out of that and run. A move over 10, 17 area could explode this into the $12 area. Sinovac SVA had a significant move today in face of a declining market. As you can see, over the last 6 weeks, it was consolidating basing. Broke out yesterday, followed through nicely today, and took out secondary resistance. Next target around 10.65 thereabouts, 10.75, and then beyond that, the old high at 12.5. Those are the targets. If you look all the way back and look at the long-term channel, this thing projects in the mid-20s long-term, but we'll have to get it going on huge volume to get anywhere near that. Now we're moving over to some of the box of shorts and portfolio positions. Expedia.com. Scrolling in, you'll see that it had a low volume, rallied back to resistance, started rolling over yesterday, followed through today, down 52 cents. Perhaps a new down channel is forming. The bottom of that channel measures down around 20. That's my initial trading target if it gets through 21.90. Beneath that, longer term or more intermediate term projections are for something around the 17.5 area. On the short side, of course. Goodyear Tire GT, after breaking down, has merely been bear flagging for the last 2 weeks. Although it was up 21 cents today, the volume is very low. Technicals look like this could roll over and get slam dunked down to around the $10 range. That's my trading target. Next we have Navistar, which is coming to the apex of a wedge here. Looks quite bearish. Technicals barely moved, and for several days the stock has had problems getting through the 36 area. So let's just see what transpires with Navistar. But the projections call for the bottom of the channel right now measuring down around the 29.5 area. That's my trading target. Beneath that, 27.5 thereabouts. And lastly today we have Pool Corp, which broke a topping pattern, heavy downside volume, and also is forming a typical bear flag on low volume with poor technicals. Very similar to the other stocks we just reviewed. There you have it for today. Have a good Friday and a good weekend. Hello again, everybody.